So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2022 Genesis G70, the rear wheel drive version, and this thing features a launch control mode, and I'm going to showcase just how to enable it. So first off, on your center console, push and hold this traction control off button until right here in the middle is displayed traction control and stability control is disabled. So I'm holding, traction control is disabled, still holding, now traction and stability control are disabled together. Next, on the drive mode selector, right above the traction control, turn this dial to either the Sport or Sport Plus modes of the vehicle. So it's down the third one or to the fourth one. Now put your left foot 100% on the brake, and then give it some gas to get up to 2,000 RPM, and you'll get a little notification down low right here that launch control is available. So I'm going to do so right now. My foot is 100% on the brake, and now I'm going to give it some gas. So launch control is ready. So I'm going to do that again and display it while using the mode. I really dislike filming while driving the vehicle, but for these purposes I'm in an empty parking lot. It's completely safe, so we're gonna do that. And I'm releasing brake. But that is how easy it is to enable the launch control in the 2022 Genesis G70. Thanks for watching.